Residents living close to a section of the Sandy Gully in St Andrew are calling for the authorities to address garbage pileup and trees growing in the gully. They believe if there is a major hurricane, they might be at risk. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Here's what it looks like inside the section of Sandy Gully located in the community of Seaview Gardens in St Andrew. A pool of water surrounded by trees. On the other side, behind these trees in the gully, is the Riverton community. The trees have grown so high that it acts as a partition between the communities. These residents have pretty much accepted it, as they say the trees have not been cut in over a decade, and the size of them suggests residents might be correct.
We always chop it and keep it clean, cut it down. But the whole of the rubbish come from up the gully when the rain fall and come pack up down the line there, so. And look how you see mosquito murder we down here.
From 1981, I've been here. And they clean it one time, but it cannot clean further than from up there, so. To right where you see that guy have his like a car wash there, so. They can't go further than that because it's concrete from the bridge to right there, so. All the rest is just mud going down.
Now I'm standing here just kilometers away from the end of the Sandy Gully in Kingston. Behind me, trees and debris. Residents of Seaview Gardens say they often fear the gully may overflow, putting their lives at risk.
The other day we get like 2 hours rain and the water was right here, and that was like 2 hours. So if you get like a storm, the whole of the roadside, the gully, everything are going to flow over in the scheme and destroy people things, so it need for clean.
But while it's a major concern for this Seaview Gardens resident, they also believe other communities might be at risk.
Problem is who live down that side. Maybe the housing scheme over the other side, maybe the water, the sea will push it back upon them over there.
But as trees of different sizes grow in different sections of gullies in the corporate area, environmentalists argue that it's all poor maintenance. We put that question to the communication manager at the National Works Agency.
I can't tell you that there is any one reason for the situation that we are seeing. The fact of trees growing in some of these channels is of a concern, and a much bigger concern is the fact that there is some hole within the invert that would have allowed trees to grow, and so that to us is the bigger issue.
He says there's a major project underway to correct defects contributing to some of these issues. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.